I welcome everyone to our YouTube channel AAU Grey Organics. In this video we will see about the new initiative by Indian government, that is One Nation One Subscription. This is the new scheme that is introduced by Indian government, which will be very useful to the researchers and the academicians, those who are doing research in various aspects. Before going deep into this video, if you are new to our channel, you can subscribe our channel. Our channel is the only channel to give agriculture, education and job opportunities related videos in English, so you can share our channel with your friends also. Okay, let us come into the video. One Nation One Subscription. Most of our channel subscribers are the PG and PhD research scholars in agriculture and allied sectors. So all of us are in the need to download the articles from various journals, but the problem is most of the journals are underpaid. So if we pay the amount, we can get the access to that article, or else we cannot get. Earlier SIAB was there, but SIAB can give the articles only up to the year 2021. After 2021, the SIAB cannot give the articles, so it is very difficult to download the articles. This One Nation One Subscription scheme will be very useful to the students and research scholars like us, those who are in need of downloading these articles from various journals. This One Nation One Subscription scheme is to provide the nationwide access to the scholarly research and journals, that is for research articles. So this scheme will provide the access to the research articles and the journals, and those who are under paid version. And the budget for this is 6,000 crore, which is allocated for the year 2025 to 2027. So this scheme will start from January 1, 2025. Target beneficiaries are nearly 1.8 crore students, faculties and researchers in 6,300 institutions, including higher education and central R&D institutions. Coordination will be done by InflipNet. It is an autonomous institute under UGC. This will be useful for downloading the research e-journals from prominent publishers covering the disciplines of STEM. The STEM means science, technology, engineering and mathematics, medical, management, social sciences and humanity, to all individuals in the country. So all the students, researchers and faculties can download the articles from these various publishers. So as I mentioned earlier, nearly 6,400 institutions across the countries, including higher education institutions of central and state universities and colleges, including all the medical colleges and central government research and development institutions, will be benefit from this ONOS, and it covers nearly 1.8 crore students and faculties and researchers across the country, which will give access to more than 13,000 journals from 30 publishers, including top 4 global publishers such as Elsevier, Springer Nature, Taylor and Francis and Wiley. Here is the list of publishers who will give access to the scholars through this scheme. So here is the publishers such as ACM Digital Library, American Chemical Society, American Institute of Physics. So like this, many publishers are there. These publishers will provide the access to the scholars or faculties and the students. So this will be very useful for downloading the articles. Till now the site has not yet activated, so let us wait until January 1st until the site gets activated. Thank you.